Critical industries use and manufacture a variety of expensive, highly volatile gases. Gas leaks and escaping air reduce production, cut profitability, and increase the likelihood of safety and environmental incidents. ICI's Sound Detect acoustic imager uses microphone array beamforming technology to acquire sound source distribution data. 128 MEMS microphones capture ultrasonic frequencies. The ultrasonic waves are visualized and represented on screen to assist users in pinpointing hard-to-find gas and air leaks. Acoustic data is used to estimate leak size and potential cost to assist with data-driven decisions and increase profitability. Unlike traditional inspection methods, which are time-consuming and prone to mistakes, ICI's Sound Detect imager can non-invasively localize compressed air and pressurized gas leaks quickly and accurately. Modern factory buildings have complex structures and many places are not easily accessible. The acoustic imager can detect leaks from up to 120 meters away, helping inspectors pinpoint leaks at a distance. The Sound Detect is designed to be lightweight, intuitive, and easy to operate. Built-in anti-interference technology excludes background noise. ICI's Pro version is ATEX certified explosion-proof to hold up in the harshest of working conditions. Upgrade to faster gas leak detection and achieve reliable maintenance programs with ICI series of acoustic imagers.